everyone, welcome to Whistle and Willie's Fishing, or welcome back to Whistle and Willie's Fishing. This morning my body clock woke me up and my brain just went, let's go fishing. So I've done that. I've probably been about an hour and a half, maybe close to 2 hours. Had a really good session so far. So we will rewind the tape and start from there and see how we go. Righto guys, let's go fishing. Right, we tried the old surface lure through here. Hopefully meant there was no cod here. Actually, it doesn't mean a thing. You just mightn't have come up. Right, now this little juicy little spot right here. I'm not able to do much pauses down there because just haven't got enough time to do it. Get that lure down a little bit. Right, here we go. No. Oh, the line fell through my hand. Right, come on, let's get one decent one in here. Just trying to get him back this way a little bit. That's that one. Ooh, oh, that was a fish. See the boil? Thought I went over the top of a stick. Righto, here we go. Here we go. Hopefully he comes back, that one. Righto, hold on to your seats here. Maybe. Haven't had a surface strike for a while. I'm not that confident. What is this lure doing? Sorry guys. Right, stay working properly, my friend. That's the one. Oh, missed him. Ooh, he's only a little fella too. That little wing there is a little bit injured. Right, my friend. Get back into that fella. We need one. I haven't had one on the surface for a while. Come back, little fella. He was only little. I don't care about size. Apparently neither does me missus. Anyway, let's catch this fish. No, come back, buddy, come back. Haven't had a surface fish for a while now. Come on, give him a little bit of different option here. Oh mate, I'm injured. He didn't like that approach. What was that? Oh, it's all happening here. Don't make me chuck me little 50 mil around, mate. It's definitely... Oh, there's something wrong with me wing here. Right, he's still here. Right, here we go. The plan here is, just to fish this little bit with yellow belly. I'm going to sneak up there and try to fish that little bit with the surface lure. That's the plan. That there looks fishy. Oi, look at that. You come out. come out for a look. Right, now at the start of this I said I had a plan of fishing this for yellowbelly, and then that along there, if you can see that, for cod. But I'm just gonna chuck my yellowbelly lure around here a little bit, just because that fish came up, and hopefully he's sitting back in here. Ooh, this is dangerous actually. It looks really codified as well. So we're not going to go far out. We're just basically going to fish. You can see my lure. This bit here is where I want the lure just going boom, 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 and try and entice that reaction bite kind of thing. So they're having a crack, but they're not quite switched on. It allows me to put it in their face a little bit longer, which it might need right here. Oh, too far, we'll end up with a cod. I reckon this is where you come from, buddy. Go back this way a bit. Slow right down, Willie. No, I'm really surprised one didn't come out. Can we go back in this way a bit? Not really. Really thought I was going to get straight on then. Had the confidence for it. Oh yes, got him. Lovely. Don't know what he is. There you go. He's a little trouty. No wonder he hit so hard. That was awesome. Righto, mate. Come here, buddy. That's what he could have been, that, because the boil wasn't that big. But geez, they hit hard, don't they? A beautiful fish, pound for pound. They are one of the hardest hitting fish I've come across so far. If you get off, mate, that's absolutely fine with me. There you go. Awesome. Righto, we've got the hooks out. Little AC 50mm lure. There he is, a little fella. We'll get him back in. You little ripper. Here's our cooties. All right, let's go, because I'm not. Want to see bigger trout cod, Murray cod? Check out this video here. Want to see trout cod and yellowbelly, and probably the prettiest trout cod I've caught? Check this one out. And as normal, guys, stay safe, enjoy, and keep whistling.